Restore smooth power and reliable performance with the ICE Marine Carburetor, OEM 688-143, 02-08-00, designed for Yamaha 75 horsepower and 85 horsepower two-stroke, three-cylinder outboards from 1992 to 1996. This carburetor serves as the middle unit in a three-carb system, delivering a precise fuel-air mixture for stable idling, crisp throttle response, and consistent engine output. Built from durable, corrosion-resistant materials, it's engineered to withstand harsh marine environments and long-term use. Ideal for maintenance, repairs, or classic outboard restoration, this OEM spec replacement helps keep your Yamaha running smooth, efficient, and powerful. Choose ICE Marine for trusted marine performance. Learn more at iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +886 966 468632.